What you do with your toes?
Hey, if you've been watching this video, hey, I got two guys here who's gonna fix this for me. It's Bo and it's Pal.
Bo's gonna take care of that.
And remember I was saying this would have to be taken out, but Bo's got something better than that. What you got, Bo?
Quick fix repair clip.
Okay, so that goes on the glass, huh?
Yeah, this side goes on the side with the broken clip.
And what is it? How does it? Okay, I won't ask any questions. I'll just keep watching.
This actually will go in like this, back in here.
Yeah.
Right back under there.
Yeah. Oh, and then that's
Yeah.
okay. Well,
I need to.
here you want
this in for me?
You can,
Hold it in for me. One.
that's it.
I'm gonna get the other one.
Holy mackerel!
Yeah, quick fix.
Quick fix. I've never seen such
You
a
heard
thing.
of quick fix all?
Yep.
Yeah, this is the Jalousies.
There you go.
Wow, just like that, it's fixed. And here I was explaining how to cut it off and try to find something and special order it. Uh-oh.
Redo it again.
Oh, it's
You know, we might have to.
down underneath the screen.
We might have to get one Jalousie.
No, I just gonna pinch this more.
Okay, he's going to pinch that and get it back on. So there's a tip for you. He's showing you a tip after you do something. Double check it and make sure, you know, try it a couple times. See if it's going to fall out or what have you. And see, remember that piece of glass? It had a little owie on it right there.
We'll change
And what they can do, what they'll do is they're going to measure this and then they're going to come back and they'll put that quick clip right back on there. That's slick. I like that.
Yeah, so do I.
Nice. Good job, guys. See, here's that deal. That's what it's going to look like. It's called a quick fix. And it comes with two little clips there. And that's it. Good luck with your repair.